All right, I came up with a great solution for both of us to sleep comfortably in the car. We'll show you the setup, and this is what it looks like when we're traveling. The headrests have been replaced with 6 solid aluminum rods, and I have to remove this little like plastic pass-through thing for the center seat belt that comes from up here and goes down. Anyway, this is what it takes for the bed. We stack our gear on top of here. Still plenty of room for gear, and you have the entire back seat, which is nice. So the setup is pretty quick and easy. We'll show you that. You move both the seats all the way up and forward. So tilt it forward and also move it all the way up, because as it goes up, it goes forward a little bit, and you need that extra space. Because I'm 6'4", so even I can fit comfortably in there without hitting the top and the bottom. Next thing we do is fold the seats down, and we remove the outer rods. These are going to go through some paracord loops to secure the corners, just in case there's corner pressure on the headboard. Next thing we do is grab the board. It's made out of plywood with a couple little strips right here. Here are the paracord loops. This goes in. The center console holds a lot of the weight. The thing's very strong. You can straight up stand on it if you want to. And then wiggle it in place so it's even. And then insert the rod through the loop and into the hole. And that's the only tricky part. Then for maximum stability, we can move one of the seats back just to put a little bit of pressure right here to really lock it in. And then we grab the foam. This is 4-inch memory foam. And it goes in here, and you get this nice full width section up here at the top for your shoulders. And unlike that inflatable air mattress thing, you still have a ton of room under here for all your gear. Doesn't pack down as small, but this is so much more comfortable. And there it is. Both of us sleep in there pretty comfy. We usually put down a Harbor Freight moving blanket on top of this, and then a flat sheet. It is quite comfy, even for a giant like myself. Very nice. And you still have side door access on either side with a little action roll. Very nice.